Hi everyone. So today we are live. I'm going to perform a live trade. So we will discuss further in the video. Perform the live trade on a demo account, so you guys have a better understanding. So I will uh, update you about the everything. So I'm going to share you the details, my screen, so you can have a look. Uh, okay. All right. So, about crypto market is like very risky market. So in the crypto market, you guys need to be very careful while getting the money into it. So please, please, it's a request. Like if you want to put the money in crypto, just invest the money. You can afford to lose. So it's very saturated market. A lot of people are doing. So you need to be smart enough to manage your funds. So while managing your funds, what you need, is you guys have to fight against the smart people, the big people who are moving the money around. So that's all. Further, I'm going to share my screen with you guys to see. Okay. Um, so here is the trading view. Trading view is the platform from where we can have a look. We can see the pattern, the trend of any coin. Uh, it deals with uh, every every kind of online market, financial markets like crypto, forex, stocks, uh, gold, and everything like that. So um, I'm going to perform a live trade on a demo account with having a $1,000, and that so I'm going to perform with the 10% of my portfolio. So just giving you an overview about the trading view. So here we can see the pair. It's the pair of Ethereum USD. So that's the price of the Ethereum. It's um, going on at right now. Is so yeah. So here, when you click here, you can see every stocks, like stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, and everything like that. So from here you can select the commodity, the crypto, the coin. So I'm going to live trade on what we okay HUSDT. HUSDT, it's performing very well. So let's see. So we're going to perform a future trade on that. So 1 minute candle, 1 minute candle. See the pattern. See the pattern. Pattern is very confusing right now. So I don't know. It's going up. It's going down. So what we need to do is just to be very careful while getting into the trade. Okay, let's see the chart. So charts showing great movement. Like it was few minutes back at the time like now. Okay, like few 10-15 minutes back it was at this position and now just fall behind. It's on the lower price. Okay, what we see here is just a big support here. To support, you can click on this side and you can see the horizontal line, vertical lines, trend angles, extended lines. So we can draw a horizontal line up here. So we can see here is the support on 1 minute chart. So let's see on the 1 hour 5 minute charts, because I just want to perform a very short scalping trade. So in scalping you have to just get into the trade right now and just take like in few weeks you have to just get your money out. uh, we're going to add take profit. Take profit is up to you, and stop loss. Stop loss is the very, I must say again, very necessary part of uh, trading trading crypto, because it's moving very crazily. So let me see. uh, okay, so here is the support of this coin on the 5 minute chart, but not the, it's not clear yet. 5 minute chart. Let's see on the 1 hour chart. Okay, so an hour chart. Oh, okay. So see, it went like 0.09. Okay, and like few hours, 3 to 4 hours, it went to 0.163. Big, very big movement. So okay. See the 1 day trend. 1 day trend. Okay. So on the 1 day trend, see the movement. This coin is very dangerous. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Uh, okay. So I'm going to change the trend. So timeline to 15 minutes. Let's see the 15 minutes candle. Oh, okay. Okay. You can see the candles. You can see the bars. You can perform anything. You can have control. Uh, one more thing, very necessary before you get into the trade. Indicators matters a lot. So while performing any trade, you can use very good indicators. So I personally use very few indicators, because for the short term scalping, indicator doesn't work very well. So you need to move towards the trend while performing the live trade. Sorry, trade. So let's see. We're going to get into 1 minute chart. So I'm going to see the pattern of this coin, the movement of this going upward. I have seen like it has a very good point to take a long position right now, but for a very short period of time. So let me see. Okay, let me check. So we have to wait for a while to see in few minutes where does it goes. Okay. Okay, so here we see like the candles are moving very steady movements. So okay, let's see another coin. Mm, what we can get into Ethereum. Let's see the Ethereum. Okay. USDT. Okay, spot futures. Okay. Yes, if you want. Oh, sorry. Let me change. So this is when you click on all, so you can see everything. Like it has stocks, funds, futures, forex, everything all together. So if we want to get the trade of futures, we can see the future. Here we have a lot of like pairs of coins and countries. Plus here we have funds. Here we have stocks. Here we have forex, crypto. So I'm going to perform the crypto trade here. So let me see the good pair, what where we can get into. Okay, soul. Okay, no, not soul. Okay. BTC, USDT, XRP. We can see XRP. Let's see. Okay, Ripple is like the very good coin right now. The trade for the short-term scalping. See the movement. Moment we have okay. Let's see the 5 minute chart. Hmm. So it has like very good candles. Okay. From hmm, it's going down steadily on the 1 hour. Oh, okay. Let's see the 1 day chart. 1 day. Okay. This candle. See the candle. It took a lot of people. So in just like few minutes. So this was a very dangerous kind of never happened in the history of any stock or crypto. So be very careful. Just use stop loss. I'm just mentioning this once again. So please use stop loss. So okay. Hmm, okay. Let's perform the trade on the 1 minute chart. We some scalping. Okay. No, it's not seems very welcoming. Let's get to the same coin HUSDT, HUS, sorry, US, uh, HUSDT. Mm, HUSDT have like different perpetual contracts on. Okay, okay. See the trend. See the trend. Okay, here we can take the position. We're gonna give wait for 1 minute. So if it hits this line, or maybe it goes back from around because it has like from here 0.125. If it goes up, so we're gonna get into the trade for the long position with the using 10% of my portfolio with 10x trade. So let's see. Let's wait for a while. Okay. All right. So how many people? Okay. So for this minute, like it's like few seconds left. So I'm gonna see the position right now. Uh, okay. So I was telling about the indicators. So indicators are a very good, very helpful thing while getting into the trade. So indicators to check the indicators, you have to just click on the indicator. You can search. There are a lot of indicators by default. You can see the technical fundamentals. So we're gonna get. I'm just going to perform just with the one indicator, RSI. It's the relative strength index. So we can just see this one, the first one, RSI. So it shows like when the coin is overbought or oversold. So I have just clicked on that. So here is the indicator now. So RSI has some values. It's like it's 0 to 100. So when when we see the long term trade, like for an hour or two or maybe a day sometimes, so it performs very well. To see the hour trade, it shows like it so okay, let me tell you one thing. When RSI is below 30, so it means the coin oversold. So oversold means the coins are available in the market and people are getting into it. So you have to just get into the coin. It's just an opinion. You can take the short-term scalping trade for that. So you just click. You can place a long position in this situation. So here in this situation for a 1 hour trade, 1 hour trend, it shows like it's currently on 49, and below 30 is the good position to get into it. Or if it's on the higher side above 70, uh, it's oversold. So yeah, let me the situation on the other screen. Okay. What? Oversold. Okay. Yeah. When it goes like above 70, so it what so where so you can perform the short position from there, that position. So but right now the coin is on the 1 hour chart, it's very critical situation. So I'm just going to see the 1 minute chart. Okay, see, it's already oversold in situation on the 1 minute chart. So 5 minute chart, let's see the 5 minute chart. Okay. Okay, where is the support for this? Okay, I'm going to get into the trade uh, on the next candle. Let me see. This all depends upon this candle, the candle which we're going through now. Okay, and okay. Candles have, yeah, see. Okay, we need to wait for this candle as well. I must say, it shows a very steady movement at this position. Okay. Hmm. It has a very good support here on the 1 minute time frame. So guys, just be very careful while getting into the trade. So it's very risky thing. Crypto is risky. Like I must say, people are very people have the people who have nerves. You just get into it. So be very careful while getting into it. Okay, and yeah, we're going to get into the trade. So we have a green candle in this position. So we place uh, a long position from here just to see. Okay, click on this icon over here. So from here you can take the position. I tell you one thing. Here is the market. Market means when you take the trade, you take it right away. You get the position on right away. On the limit you can set the limit, or you can set the price from where when any coin hit that price, you use the trade right away. So okay, I'm going to use market position. So using my 10% of my balance, like I have 1,000 US dollars, USDT in my trading account. So okay, I think we should wait for this candle to see if it breaks this position. Here is the position, this one. If it crosses this position, we can take the long position from here. Okay. And if it goes down, so for the short-term scalping, again, Let me see the position. Okay, one more thing before getting into the trade. Like whenever uh, you get into any trade or the crypto, you want to perform futures. It's let's be very, very, very selective on the position. How much appetite you have. Like if you can have the good appetite, you can the good positions, good margins trade. You can perform. I have people like performing 200x trades, which is very dangerous, I must say. Usually for the safer side, we have it out. Like if you have the big money, I must say, just okay. Let's start from like if you have $1,000. So while you have $1,000, you should place the trade of just five, just I must say $50, like 5%, and gradually you can increase it. You can compound your money. You can compound your assets. If you perform a trade, like if you have $1,000 in your account and you perform the trade with the $50, rest of the money you can just keep it for your liquidity. So if you have used your just 5% of your portfolio, that means 95% of portfolio is just your backing up your trade. So yeah, but I must say stop loss here. So stop loss works very well if you get into the trade while just viewing the trade. When you select a trade, you think it's long or short somewhere. You see the resistance, you see the support line. So while performing the trade, while getting into the trade, you have to just be very selective for the stop loss as well. To perform the stop loss, you must stop if it goes wrong, your position goes wrong. So you need to be very you have to be acceptable for that. So okay, it's fine. If I must say perform, you can set the stop loss up to 10% of your trade value. So and if you see the good trend, the market is going up or going gradually, or market is going down very gradually, you can just take the trade like for longer run. So you can. I have seen the people making like with the $100 like make like $1,000, like 1,000 times. So 10 times more than that, the capital value of the trade. So to perform, and one more thing, like you have to set your target for that. So every day you want to, like you have to increase your capital like 1%, 2%, 5%, 10%. As much higher as the percentage, you are more risk involved. So when you compound your money, if you have winning days, like you perform like 5% of every day. If you have $1,000, you can perform 50 dollars, and you can make $5 out of it. So means you have make like very little money, but you can compound it on every day. So while compounding it on every day, at after few months, after few time, you can have a very good capital. So compounding is a very good factor in crypto. So now let's get towards the trade. Trade is it's very like very critical situation now. I'm very confused at this position on this coin. It's very short candles, not the big movement here. It can goes up very. See, the RSI is moving up. Means people are trying to buy. Okay. When was the last time at this? It was on this position. Let's see on the 5 minute chart. Okay. Yeah. See. Uh, okay. Okay. I'm going to go. Going to go. Let me check on my other screen. One more thing. Okay. Okay, let me see the situation right now. Situation is very. It's like we need to short position, I would say, from here. But if it breaks this level, okay, this level, yeah. If it breaks this level, so we have a very strong resistance. So sorry, support from here. Okay, one more thing I need to tell you guys. Uh, this is called resistance and this is called support. Whenever the lower line is called support, so support means that people are the more buyers are here. You see the support. The coin came here, and a lot of buyers are have limit orders over here. So when people buys, the price move upward, and people when people sell, the price goes downward. So yeah. Okay, sorry. For this, for just time frame, that's called the resistance for the shorter period of time. Resistance means people are selling from here, and support means people are buying from here. So if it crosses this line, that means that buyer order has been filled, and we can perform the short. And the sellers are on the higher side. So when it crosses this line downwards, means the sellers are selling very fast on this position. So let's see the situation and just wait for the breakthrough. Sorry, guys, it took a lot to get into the trade, but we have to just perform a very good trade or just at least positive trade. Just maybe we can make like 5% or 10% out of the uh, out of $100. Let's see where it goes. You guys see the situation of this coin right now. It's in very in a range bound this time, and it's going sideways for like from few minutes. So when it's upward or downward, so we are gonna get into the trade. But wait for the next candle every time. When if this candle light goes upward, and you see the top of the candle is closes above the blue line. So and for the next candle, if the next candle also closes green in the positive size, so you can take the long position from there for like few minutes. So definitely there are sellers on the upper side to take the position to take the profit, and for if it goes forward, it crosses the support line, so you can perform the position just for a very short period of scalping. So right now the situation is very in the range bound. So don't get into don't rush into the trade. So just be relax, analyze the market, see the trends, and then perform the trade. So meanwhile, let me see. All right. range bound is very, very critical. Okay, so let me see the situation right now. Okay, let's see another pair meanwhile. Hmm. Okay, sources, we can see. Okay. Hmm. Let's see Sol USD or Bitcoin. Right now, market is very, very, very on the critical side, not clearing the situation, not clearing the path. Okay, now we can take the trade from this position. If it hit this position, we can get into this trade and perform a long position. Uh, Comes up and down. Meanwhile, let me check another pair. Let's say Pepe House. It's performing. Oh, sorry, not futures. Pepe. Okay. Hmm. Let's see on OKX. Yeah. Yes. So Pepe has the good moment. So see, it comes on many times in last few minutes. So okay. So I draw a support line. I must say short term. Okay. Here